Hey there, welcome to even my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, we are going to talk about one of the most popular and featured app on Shopify App Store. So this tutorial will be very helpful for you if you have started your online business with Shopify, or if you are looking a best online business solution, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. In this tutorials, we are going to talk about featured app Courses Plus. This is basically for build and sell your own online courses. So if you want to build a website to sell your courses from your website, and you are looking a perfect solution, and you already decided to use Shopify because it's one of the most popular or best platform for any e-commerce website to build any e-commerce website, then these apps will be very helpful for you. So we are going to dive into the more details to know about it. Okay, so do this. First of all, I'm going to click on this title link, and here is the details of this app. It's featured, and the title is Turn Your Expertise into Recurring Revenue with Courses Plus. Get and sell your own online courses. And the very important things that if you look at review of all previous customers, you will be satisfied. Of course, 193 review and one average 4.9 in 5 the star. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to know more about this app. Offer custom courses that will keep the cash coming in. So you can add custom courses in here. Customer can access classes directly from your storefront, complete with test and exam. That is very important for any online course selling website to add test and exam featured, and that is available in this app. And when they are done, they can celebrate with a certificate. That's mean you can add certification system by default using this app. Okay, so Courses Plus is a great for online educator, fitness trainer, tutor, creative professional businesses offering professional development, non-profit and hobbyist looking to monetize their expertise. So if you are fitness trainer, tutor, or online educator, or business, or any professional creative, or any creative professional, then it's perfectly great fit for you. Okay, then here is the main featured wild custom learning expertise. Course content can be include text, image, video, and even live Zoom session. That is very awesome featured. That's mean you can add text, images, video, and most important things is live Zoom session. Whatever can be your materials best. Keep track of each student's progress along the way. Okay, so then next, test their knowledge. Deliver courses content to your students section by section. That's mean it is very organized based on your own set schedule, so you have full control. Test them throughout their journey with multiple choice quizzes. Perfect. Okay, then generate PDF certificate for students who successfully complete your course, which they can download as a digital credential or print out for posterity. That's when your students can download certificate and you can control the full certificate. That's when you can create or make ready from your store. Okay, and here is the preview. Courses Plus let students view courses materials, track their progress, and earn a certificate all in one place. Perfect. Okay, good to know. Courses can make a profit up to 85. Okay, and finally we are going to learn more about this app. So first of all, we are going to know about the pricing. So free plan available. If I scroll down, You can use it for free up to 5 lessons per store. And students, courses progress tracking, courses app banding. Okay, and if you go with basic plan per month, then you can add up to 20 lessons per store. Students and storage, progress tracking, limited time course access, brief content, certificate, courses app branding, and they have professional and enterprise pricing plan. Also looks at rating. It's very important. The negative rating is very low. Maximum people love this app. If you read all the app, then you can understand better. Here is the latest review. Okay, so I think it will be very perfect if you want to sell your courses using Shopify. And finally, we are going to check the some screenshot or slideshow, different type of lesson, text lesson, video lesson, Zoom live webinar quiz. Okay, then section and lesson, progress bar, quiz. Okay, perfect, looks good. And finally the congratulations page. Okay, so I hope you understand so far. I recommend to use this app to sell your course from your Shopify store. Also it's work with DOM theme. That's when you can integrate this app with your free DOM theme. So that's all for today, and from my own opinion, I recommend to use this app. And in the next tutorials, I will show you how you can set up or use this app to sell your courses from your Shopify online store. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.